how to activate your US bank credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate your US bank credit card online in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, just tap on the search bar and after that simply enter or search for activate your US credit card on the search bar. And now here once you search for it, you can simply click or tap on the first link on your result page and after that you'll be prompted to the interface like this. Now here, once the activation page loads, you'll be asked to enter a few details. So here, first you have to enter your 16-digit credit card number, and once you're done with that, you have to enter your social security number, and once you're done entering your social security number, you simply have to enter the security code which is usually found on the back of your card. And if you are not sure where to find the security code, you can just click the help icon or link on the page for guidance. And here after entering all the required info, you can just tap on the activate button, and after that your US bank credit card will be activated and will be ready to use. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.